Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV drive, man. Oh. I gotta pop a U-turn, man. Yo, I'm not about to push the car crazy. I do need to get an oil change, so I don't want to like do too much. But I just gotta, when I get time, I'm gonna do my oil change. Put this on. Ooh. Going to the gym after this. I need to fix this mic, but I just don't understand. I just like, that's a choice. That's a choice. It's a choice to go that speed. After I do my oil change, I'll push the car a little bit more if that's what y'all want to see. But I'll be running them pops and stuff, so. I got some better content on the way, so stay tuned for that next video, bro. It's gonna be something different. It's gonna be something different. what I was looking at. Yo, this heat wave, bro, it's been insane, bro. 100 degrees today. It's just been hot. It's just been hot all day. Like, soon I get out the car, I can feel my skin melting, bro. Can't even stay outside long. I had to do a spark plug change. Being about a tuned car, bro, you gotta change it every like 10,000 miles, 10,000 to 15,000. Mine was well over, so I immediately knew what it was. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the ramps when I do my oil change, bro. It's so tedious jacking up the car, bro. For me, it's just so tedious. I gotta put 2 bricks under, jack the car up from the middle, bro. It's just too much. I'm gonna just get some ramps. Hopefully those work. I ain't even sure if those gonna work, but I can just get straight to the oil change when I do it like that. Yeah, it's supposed to be going to Summer Duck Saturday, so if y'all know what Summer Duck is, it's a little drifting jump. People gonna be swinging, and you know, I feel like y'all would enjoy that, not gonna lie. And I might get a mix of POV. I might film 2 videos that day, so my camera gonna be charged. I might get a POV in, and I might get the little drifting / POV, something like that. But it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. I feel like it's gonna be sweet. Like I finally found a group of car people who are willing to make content. Like they're down to make content, bro. They don't just talk. You know what I'm saying? They actually do produce. But I think it'll be pretty cool to meet some of the new people in the group. Show my face. I haven't shown my face in a while, bro. Yo, are you hearing me? Alright, YouTube. It's a little short video, but if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Appreciate all my new subscribers. We out.